In this video, we are going to discuss about the potential scenarios when you are configuring EIGRP for IPv4 configurations. So, when coming to this, you see the first scenario here that the interface between the devices is down here. So, if you see, this is the headquarter router, and when you type in the command show IP interface brief, it will give you about the interface details, it will give the IP addresses and what exactly the state it is, the method and the status where it is up or down. So, if you see here, all the interfaces are up, but except the fast Ethernet 0/0 having the IP address 192.168.1.20, you see the status is down. So, what are the potential scenarios or what are the options here that it went down? So, if you see here, in this case the Ethernet 0/0 is down because the possibilities would be here about the disconnected cable, a down of a switch or a faulty hardware found on the router. So, there are other scenarios that two routers mismatching EIGRP AS number. So, the second scenario, the potential scenario is that the mismatching of the EIGRP AS number. So, if you see of the headquartered router show IP protocol, it shows a routing protocol as EIGRP 1. So, output is omitted by pressing exit. Now, if you see for the branch location show IP protocol, it shows routing protocol EIGRP 10 here. That means here the AS number is 1 and here the AS number is 10. So, due to the mismatch, there has a potential scenario of EIGRP configuration failure. So, this is about the second potential scenario. So, if you see that in this case the branch and headquarters are misconfigured and having a different EIGRP AS numbers. So, the third potential scenario here is proper interfaces are not enabled of the EIGRP processes. That means proper interfaces are not been enabled here. That means giving two different interfaces for the same port. You see here headquartered router, if you type in the command show running config, then router EIGRP is given and also network IP address with the wildcard mask also is provided here. And after omitting it, again if you see about the IP interface brief, so we are seeing about the interface brief, that means up, down and the IP address is assigned to it. So, you see fast Ethernet 0/0 is given this and it is up, and but this fast Ethernet 0/1 is given a different IP address but not the default gateway. So, due to the interfaces are not enabled for the EIGRP, this is also a simple problem for your configuration. So, coming to the last one is interface between the devices is up but can't be pinged. That means the interfaces are up but you are not able to reach the interface. So, due to that the traffic will be not passed through that interface and you will be facing a problem for the EIGRP. And these are the potential scenarios for EIGRP IPv4 configurations.